Saffron is the most expensive spice in the world. With 1 pound, it means 450 grams, which is costing between 500 and 5,000 US dollars. The reason for its hefty price is its labor-intensive harvesting method, making the production costly. Saffron is harvested by hand from the Crocus sativus flower, commonly known as the saffron crocus. The term saffron applies to the flower's thread-like structures or stigma. It originated in Greece, where it was revered for its medicinal properties. People would eat saffron to enhance libido, boost mood, and improve memory. Here, I want to tell you about 11 impressive health benefits of saffron. The first is, it is a very powerful antioxidant. Saffron contains an impressive variety of plant compounds that act as antioxidants, molecules that protect your cells against free radicals and oxidative stress. Notable saffron antioxidants include crocin, quercetin, saffronol, and camphorol. Crocin and quercetin are carotenoid pigments and responsible for saffron's red color. Both compounds may have antidepressant properties, protect brain cells against progressive damage, improve inflammation, reduce appetite, and aid weight loss. Saffronol gives saffron its distinct taste and aroma. Research shows that it may help improve your mood, memory, and learning ability, as well as protect your brain cells against oxidative stress. Lastly, camphorol is found in saffron flower petals. This compound has been linked to health benefits such as reduced inflammation, anti-cancer properties, and antidepressant activity. Saffron is rich in plant compounds that act as antioxidants. It will perfectly protect your cells against oxidative stress. The second main benefit is it may improve mood and treat depressive symptoms. That's not just due to its distinct color, but also because it may help brighten your mood. In a review of 5 studies, saffron supplements were significantly more effective than placebos at treating symptoms of mild to moderate depression. Other studies found that taking 300 or less than 30 mg of saffron daily was just as effective as fluoxetine, imipramine, and citalopram, conventional treatments for depression. Additionally, fewer people experienced side effects from saffron compared to other treatments. What's more, both the saffron petals and thread-like stigma appear to be effective against mild to moderate depression. While these findings are promising, longer human studies with more participants are needed before saffron can be recommended as a treatment of depression. The third one is it may have cancer-fighting properties. Saffron is high in antioxidants, which help neutralize harmful free radicals. Free radical damage has been linked to chronic diseases such as cancer. In test tube studies, saffron and its compounds have been shown to selectively kill colon cancer cells or suppress their growth while leaving normal cells unharmed. This effect also applies to skin, bone marrow, prostate, lung, breast, cervix, and several other cancer cells. What's more, test tube studies have found that crocin, the main antioxidant in saffron, may make cancer cells more sensitive to chemotherapy drugs. While these findings from test tube studies are promising, the anti-cancer effects of saffron are poorly studied in humans and more research is just needed. It may reduce the PMS symptoms. It means it may reduce the premenstrual cycle syndromes. Is a term that describes physical, emotional, and psychological symptoms occurring before the start of a menstrual period. Studies show that saffron may help treat PMS symptoms in women 20 to 25 or in women 20 to 45 years of age. Taking 30 mg of saffron daily was more effective than a placebo at treating PMS symptoms such as irritability, headaches, cravings, and pain. Another study found that simply smelling saffron for 20 minutes helped reduce PMS symptoms like anxiety and lowered less of the stress hormone cortisol. The fifth one is it may act as an aphrodisiac. Aphrodisiacs are food or supplements that help boost your libido. Studies have shown that saffron may have aphrodisiac properties, especially in people taking antidepressants. For instance, taking 30 mg of saffron daily over 4 weeks significantly improved erectile function over a placebo in men with antidepressant-related erectile dysfunction. Additionally, an analysis of 6 studies showed that taking saffron significantly improved erectile function, libido, and overall satisfaction, but in no semen characteristics. In women with low sexual desire due to taking antidepressants, 30 mg of saffron daily over 4 weeks reduced sex-related pain and increased sexual desire and lubrication compared to a placebo. And the next one, it may reduce appetite and aid weight loss. Snacking is a must habit that may put you at a risk of gaining unwanted weight. According to research, saffron may help prevent snacking but curbing your appetite. In one 8-week study, women taking saffron supplements felt significantly more full, snacked less frequently, and lost significantly more weight than women in the placebo group. In another 8-week study, taking a saffron extract supplement helped to significantly reduce appetite, body mass index, waist circumference, and total fat mass. However, scientists are unsure how saffron. And the next benefits are it may reduce heart disease risk factors, which in animal and test tube studies indicate that saffron's antioxidant properties may lower blood cholesterol and prevent blood vessels and arteries from clogging. And of course, in the 8 use, it is may lower blood glucose sugar levels. Saffron may lower blood sugar levels and raise insulin sensitivity, as seen in test tube studies and mice with diabetes. And the 9th benefit is may improve eyesight in adults with age-related macular degeneration. The saffron appears to improve the eyesight in adults with AMD and protect against free radical damage, which is linked to AMD. And the major and the most important with the benefit of saffron is the 10th one, which can improve the memory in adults with Alzheimer's disease. Saffron's antioxidant properties may improve cognition in adults with Alzheimer's disease. And the 11th benefit is easy to add to your diet. In small doses, saffron has a subtle taste and aroma, and paired